Hello everyone, this is Sun Hong Yan. In today's video, I'm going to share with you Bandai's MG1100th Scale VDAR. The product includes a total of 19 runners and 2 sticker sheets. There's also an instruction manual. Since the Gundam VDAR reuses parts from Barbatos, you'll find a lot of extra pieces. If you've built Barbatos before, you can use it as a Gundam VDAR frame. Compared to the previous Barbatos, the C-clip on the shoulder has been modified. It's a bit stronger than Barbatos' version. The ankle joint has also been changed to a direct current core. Overall, the frame's detailing is still excellent. The hydraulic structures in each part are really impressive. As for the cockpit, they provide 2 styles for ION to either start up or shut down, so you can swap between them. For the metallic stickers, there are 2 types included, one with a dark border and one without. I feel like the effect is a bit better with the dark border. Or you can just add them to the panel lines after putting on the outer armor. It looks pretty robust, not so slender. The overall panel detailing is really nice. The cockpit cover here uses a sliding track. Just push this blue cover and it opens right up. At the connection between the palm and the wrist, there's a downward movement here. This is a really great design. This way you can pose all sorts of dynamic and exciting hand gestures. As for the head, there's an extra joint here that allows for a greater upward tilt, which is excellent. As for the weapons, there are 2 pistols mounted behind the chest horns, and the bolts on the guns can be pulled back. The rifle's magazine is removable, though there are no bullets, and it can be attached to either side of the full armor. There's a Western-style sword sheathed at both ends of the side skirt. The side skirt can slide backward just like in the show, allowing you to draw the blade. Here, they've also included 2 separate styles of sword blades. At the joint area, they've used a sticker to add some color. The foot blades can extend forward and backward to cover the feet, which is also one of the most attractive aspects of VDAR's design. There are some minor issues though. For example, some of the black parts and some of the blue parts have a bit of marbling. The left shoulder joint is a bit loose, so when you try to lift the arm, it can get pushed off. The connection on the back is loose on one side and tight on the other, and the joint at the top of the thigh tends to fall off when you move it. So here I reinforced and extended this part, and also used a metal rod. The thruster at the back of the lower leg is a C-shaped connector, which comes off really easily. At the end of the video, I'll show you the current progress on Barbatos.